Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Barclays app access and remove saved payment info. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Barclays app on your mobile device. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left or right corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the drop-down options. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and select it. Within the Settings menu, look for Account Settings or a similar section. Tap on Account Settings to enter that section. Find the option labeled Manage App Access or App Management. Select Manage App Access to view your linked devices. Locate the device you wish to remove. Tap on the device to select it. Once selected, look for an option that says Remove Access or Unlinked Device. Confirm the action by tapping Yes or Confirm when prompted. Now that you've removed app access, return to the main Settings menu. Look for the Payment Information or Saved Payment Methods section. Select the Payment Information option to view your saved details. Identify the saved payment method you wish to remove. Tap on that payment method to see additional options. Select Delete, Remove, or a similar option to erase the payment information. Confirm your choice when asked, ensuring it's deleted from your account. After removing both app access and saved payment info, exit the app. You've successfully uninstalled app access and deleted saved payment details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.